So, Namaskar to everyone. Myself, Ankit Kumar, a plant pathology student, MSc final year. I collected these questions during my exam whenever I gave this exam, September 2024. These are totally memory based. As much I am able to remember and recall, I noted down, then made their option and provide you. So at least you have any idea before sitting in exam. So let's start without any delay. First question, clipping is done for controlling which pest in rice? There are four different pests: rice leaf folder, stem borer, gandhi bug or brown plant hopper. You please try to solve options also, like dead hurt caused by rice stem borer, then brown plant hopper, scientific name Nila parvata lugens. And for this question, right answer is rice leaf folder. Leaf tips of seedlings are clipped before transplanting to remove leaf folder egg masses. And for I tried to solving options also, so you can easily remember important question like dead hurt caused by rice stem borer. Filamentous gills is the characteristics of which insect on both sides. And rice caseworm hanging from the leaf and running a rope over the crop to control which pest of rice caseworm. Silver shoot is the main characteristic symptom of gall midge. Burnt appearance is main characteristic symptom of rice hispa. Uh, in entomology, due to insect perspective, rice is important crop. So please keep in mind and read thoroughly. And even whenever you consciously read, you are able to find from every insect 2 to 3 important lines which converted in question. Move forward, like this is ETL, economic threshold level stages of important insects. For paddy stem borer, it's 5% dead hurt, one damaged leaf per hill. Hill means plant, per plant. For leaf folder, 1 to 2 cases per hill of rice caseworm. Galm is one silver shoot. For like there, if you have didn't study properly, so you can't recognize the silver shoot caused by gall miss. 1 to 2 adults per hill for rice hispa, rice gandhi bug, one nymph, then green leaf hopper, four different numbers of ETL at different stages. Then brown plant hopper, then paddy grass hopper, American bollworm, it is important, one egg per plant, then whitefly, it is also crucial, 5 to 10 nymphs per leaf or 100 whitefly per sticky tray. Okay. Then for 1 kg production of wheat, how much water is required? Uh, I think 13 to 1650 liters. Then similar question is how much water required for 1 kg production of rice? It is important question, 4000 liter. Kajri, as we all know, Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Jodhpur. Then LSD, this question is come from statistics. For statistic portion, I want to tell you some important topics like you should know range, correlation range -1 to +1, then regression range, then full form of LSD, SPD, 4 5 different types of statistical designs are there. Then their merit, demerit, then mean, median, mode definition, and their uses. Then statistics, father of statistics, Adam Smith, his book name, or on the basis of wealth, who gave definition. These are only 3 4 5 pages notes which you should memorize, summarize very well. So you are able to deal with all 5 7 question of statistics. Simple, not come too in depth. An LSD full form is least significant difference used in statistics to compare treatment means in ANOVA. Let me check once it is recording or not. Okay. The recording is going on. Hope so my voice are recording because last time it's not recorded. Okay, then standard deviation upon mean into 100 equal to coefficient of variance or standard error or correlation coefficient or skewness. So you can take a small pause of 10 seconds or can see are you able to do or not to attend this question. Okay, the right answer is of this question is coefficient of variance. Standard error formula is standard deviation upon unroot and n means total number of observations. Correlation measures the relationship between two variables, not variability. Skewness measures asymmetry of a distribution. Average speed is technically calculated as which type of mean? Harmonic mean, I think. Yes. Then arithmetic mean overestimates the true average speed unless times are equal. Use the geometric mean for growth rate or ratios. Median is a positional value. Definition of utility. There is 5 to 7 questions in CAU general agriculture entrance you can do by your common sense. Like this question, you have no need to memorize or summarize. You just simply use your common sense and can do. Like for utility, all we all know want satisfying power or capacity of a commodity is called utility. Relationship shown by demand and price curve. Whenever price will increase, demand will decrease. So you can see inverse relation, downward sloping. Price rises, quantity demand falls. Simple thing. Father of plant pathology in India, we all know. Please try to solve all 4 options so it will give you general idea and question will repeat and question will become from the options in next time. We will try to solve 2024 general agriculture exam, then horticulture, then 2025 general agriculture and horticulture. All 4 exams I have 40 to 50 questions. In 2024 I gave, so I collected question. Then last year some of my juniors send me those questions. I will make nice presentation and present in front of you. So father of plant pathology in India, we all know, is a Butler, first cryptogamic botanist in Calcutta. His book name is Fungi and Diseases in Plants. In is a fungi and plant diseases, written by Baby Mundkar. This question definitely will come in multiple exams. Then Anton de Berry, we all know, father of plant pathology or modern plant pathology. Casey Mehta did work on rust. Rust. Then B.B. Mundkar, he is father of Indian Phytopathological Society. Not father, first president. Okay, move forward. Is a Butler. These are also important thing I know down. Like Albert Magnus, the person who see or found first plant disease in mistletoe or loranthus in world. On which crop? Loranthus. Which disease? Galls. Galls. Galls present on Loranthus. And first plant pathogen seen by father of plant pathology, Henrik Anton de Berry, on late blight of potato, Phytophthora infestans. Then inquiry into plants and the nature of plants and regions of vegetable growth, written by Theophrastus. A scandal of art, Carolus von Linnaeus. Nova Plantarum Genera, written by P.A. Michelli. Then Synopsis Methodica Fungorum C.H. Persoon. These 4 books are same. Synopsis, Systema, Selecta, and one book came in next page. Synopsis is personal. Everybody personal written on synopsis. So synopsis must personal. Synopsis pursued. System needs fries. Now a system is cooked, so system needs fries. Systema mycologicum written by E.M. Fries. Select Tulsi. Selecta Tulasne brothers. Selecta Fungorum carpologica written by Tulasne brothers. And the disease of cultivated crops, their causes and their control. This is first plant pathology textbook which is written by J.G. Kuhan. Introduction to cryptogamic botany, M.J. Berkeley. Comparative Morphology, Biology of Fungi, Mycetosia and Bacteria. This is the book of Anton D. Berry. These are most important books which we should keep in mind. That's why I am providing you. Then father of modern plant pathology. We all know Anton D. Berry. Without wasting time, we will move forward. Robert Koch is father of bacteriological technique. He gave Koch postulates. Louis Pasteur, known as father of bacteriology. These are sometimes contrasting, but I confirmed Louis Pasteur, father of bacteriology, Robert Koch, father of bacteriological technique. If I got incorrected, you can correct me in comment section. Then Henrik Antin de Bory, why he is father of modern plant pathology? Because he found the life cycle of Phytophthora infestans, that disease due to the hunger of potato crop or like decline of potato crop. 40 to 50 lakh people dead due to hunger. He found the life cycle of that particular pathogen, which name is Phytophthora infestans, demonstrate heterogeneous nature of stem rust of wheat. First physiological plant pathology work on botrytis cinerea which caused grey mold. And these terminology: Autoceous and heteroceous rust, chlamydospore, Hostoria, Mycetosia, symbiosis, sex hormone, teletospores, given by Anton D. Berry. Then role of environment on epidemiology of coffee rust. Coffee rust caused by Himalaya vestatrix fungi, H.M. Ward. He is also a student of Anton D. Berry. A virulence gene term given by H.H. Floor. H.H. Floor, one which one gene, one hypothesis, something like that, given by H.H. Floor. Siloge fungorum, given by written by P.S.A. Cardo. Fungi and disease in is a fungi and plant disease, B.B. Mundkar. Please keep in mind. Plant disease epidemic and control, 1963, written by J.E. Vanderplank. Antibiotics in plant disease control, written by M.G. Thirumalachar. Which one of the following copper fungicide? Definitely Bodex mixture. Mancozeb contain zinc and manganese. Okay. This is written by incorrect. Incorrect. I written it, please. This is Mancozeb, manganese and zinc only, not copper. Mancozeb thyrum dithiocarbamate fungicide. Carbendazim benzimidazole systemic fungicide. Generally, copper fungicide are contact fungicide. Keep in mind, PAR range 400 to 700 nanometer, visible light range. Okay, complete change of the whole genome set in multiples of basic set is called, I think, euploidy. Okay, aneuploidy refers to gain or loss of individual chromosome. I will give you four conditions: 2n minus 2 nullisomy, 2n minus 1 monosomy, 2n plus 1 trisomy, 2n plus 2 tetrasomy. These all are types of aneuploidy, if I am not wrong. A homozygous genetically pure and uniform population is called pure line, given by Johansson. Many reasons behind the long suppression neglect of Mendel's experiment, because his research published in an obscure journal and lacked statistical recognition by contemporaries. Okay, and you can please check out rediscovery of Mendel's discovery done by, I thought, three scientists, but I am not able to recall Please keep in mind and write in comment section. The bulk method in plant breeding is best defined as bulk method. From common sense, you can choose one option, and which one? I think option A will be right. Yes, harvesting and mixing seeds of all selected plants each generation, delaying selection until homozygosity. A mutagen is a physical or chemical agent that induces mutation. Or option B or C or D, which one is right? You can take a small pause and first read the question, then go to right answer. And even if I got incorrect, you can correct me in comment section. So the right answer is a physical or chemical agent that induce mutation. Okay. Carbonic anhydrase is an enzyme that carbonic anhydrase contain zinc nutrient. Okay, and for this question, which option will be right? Okay, your time completed. Catalyze reversible hydration of CO2 through bicarbonate. It is the main function of carbonic anhydrase. Nitrogen fixation is done by nitrogenase enzyme. Total number of standard amino acids that code for proteins. We all know 20. Number of amino acid considered essential in the human diet. I think 10th. Even we are studying from since 10th class. 10 human 10 amino acid which is not synthesized in human body is TV mill path. Tryptophan, valine, methionine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, threonine, phenylalanine, alanine, then histidine, then arginine or threonine. These are 10 fatty acids which is not synthesized in human body. That's why they are called essential fatty acid. Okay, then gene transcription translation, then protein describes. These things are known as central dogma of molecular biology. One gene, one enzyme hypothesis is Beadle and Tatum given operon concept explain gene regulation. CIAH, Central Institute of Arid Horticulture, Bikaner. MSP of common MSP of common grade paddy for 25-26 Kharif marketing season. It is 25-26. So it's 2369 per quintal. So according to this question, I written here for 26-27 rice 2441 per quintal. Then wheat 2585 rupees per quintal. Okay, ploidy level found in sugar beet deployed to an equal 18. APIDA, Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. This is the full form of APIDA. Okay. Family of Pyrilla purpusilla, sugarcane leafhopper. Please solve these all options. Aphid belongs from Aphididae. From Delphacidae, which insects belong? Cicadelidae, I think hopper belongs. Okay. And brown plant. Okay. Then Lophopidi belongs. Lophopidi, order Hemiptera. Pyrilla purpusilla belongs from Lophopidi family. Total food grain production in India 23-24, it is 332 million tons that time. So according to this, we will keep in mind for 25-26, it is 376.56 million tons. This data announced by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare represents a 5.3% growth over the previous year. Which crow was given a GI tag in Nagaland? Naga King chili. Okay. Sclerotinia stem rot pathogen is commonly found in mustard, sunflower and other, or rice or wheat or sugarcane. This is common question. Mustard, sunflower and other. The seed control order was established in which year? You always know 1963. Establishment year of NSC. 1984, National Horticulture Board established, and Seed Control Order was passed in 1983. National Seed Corporation, we already covered it, 1963. NHB, we already covered it, 1984. CIMAP, please keep in mind 7 to 8 question directly comes from institutions, where they are situated, whenever they are established, establishing year, or maybe sometime who is the founder or main president of that one. Okay, so please keep in mind about institution. So CIMAP, Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, is located at, so we will try to solve now. Like Bhopal, which institute is there? IISS, Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal. Now their name is definitely changed, and I am not able to tell you because I am in pathology student since 2 years. So one another institute is CSSRI, Central Saline Soil Research Institute, is in Karnal, Haryana. In Pune, I am not able to recall any institute. Bangalore, IIHR, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Hasarghatta, Bangalore, and Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, Varanasi. And IVRI, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, is Ijjatnagar. Then Lucknow, I think, is CIMAP. And one another institute from belongs to national level from medicinal plant is in Anand, Gujarat. Please update your knowledge. Chitin is mostly found in fungal cell wall and insect skeletons. Which of the following is not recommended in SRI? It is common sense question. Okay, I know you can do it. Less seed rate. What is the recommended seed rate in SRI? I think 5 kg. Okay, potassium reserves are mainly found in which type of clay mineral? 2:1 type clay mineral, especially elite montmorillonite, have higher potassium fixing capacity. XO types of determination in humans: XY, Drosophila XY, birds ZW, ZO. Then remaining one is grasshopper and crickets have XO type of determination. Okay. Minerals move upward in a plant. It is also common sense question with water, and water is carried by xylem. Food material is carried by phloem. Okay, the Hill reaction. Yeah, in plant physiology, there one question definitely this time come from light reaction or Hill reaction. Next time from dark reaction, Krebs cycle, C4 cycle, which is known as, and Kelvin cycle, which is known as C3 cycle, I think, and PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, is first product in C3 or Kelvin cycle. In C4, which is first one product? You can please write in comment section. Okay, then glycolysis or these type of question definitely come from plant physiology. 4 to 5 question, please study nicely. Grana and stroma are found in the chloroplast. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of body. Then segregation of homologous chromosome occurs at which stage of meiosis? I think anaphase first. Then prophase first involves pairing or crossing over. Metaphase involve alignment at the equator. Telophase follows separation. Chromosome have already segregated by then. A chromosome with the centromere slightly off center, unequal arms, is called, it is, I think, submetacentric. Okay, metacentric chromosome have the centromere at the exact center. Acro very near one end. Tilo very terminal end. Clubroot disease of Brassicaceae is caused by, first we solved all option. Perennospora parasitica, caused downy mildew. Albugo candida, white rust. Fusarium oxysporum, wilt. Plasmodiophora brassicaceae, clubroot of Brassicaceae. Plants obtain minerals mainly in which form? Inorganic form. Plants absorb minerals as inorganic ions, nitrate, potassium, phosphate via roots. Totipotency, ability of a single cell to regenerate a whole organism, is classically demonstrated in both plant cell and certain animal or cancer cell. The Agri-Business Accelerator program is governed by Niti Aayog with ICAR and agricultural universities. ICAR full form and establishment year, please write in comment section. Okay, approximate contribution of agriculture to India's GDP. That time it's 18%, current time it's 15.2%, with providing 46% people to employment. Growth is 4.4% and export 12% of India's total export. Minamata disease is caused by mercury. Okay, so like this, I collect 48 question, then made their option and try to provide you. Maybe one two mistakes are there, but it's unintentionally. Then these things I want to say, for general agriculture exam, if you are preparing, then you have no need to study horticulture, livestock production management and agriculture engineering, because I am saying this thing on the behalf of last 2 year exams 2024 and 25. It was not come. And there is a separate exam for students who want to take admission in horticulture. In horticulture portion there are 5-6 portion, like uh, fruits, then vegetable, then flowers, then seed, spices, then uh, what we can say, post harvest management. These are 5-6 medicinal and aromatic plants. These all things come in horticulture exam, or you can follow instant horticulture book. And in general agriculture, like agronomy, soil, GPB, entopatho, contains 13 to 15 question, and extension economics 7 to 8 question. And the thing is, what I can say, like whenever we gave this exam in 2024, 120 question came, and last year students are saying 150 question came. So it bit slightly can change the pattern every year. Okay, this is the alternaria, concentric rings in this cauliflower leaf, and this is the microscopic view of fusarium. So thank you so much, and I know you have no need to say for like, comment and subscribe. You are wise person, so thank you so much. And I will try to upload horticulture exam 2024, which I am able to collect only like how many questions, 40, 50, 60 question, and then 2025. So thank you so much.